cuarto, comedor, secreto, cine, bendición, queso, ataque, viernes, viernes, salvar, salvar, fundar, pundar, difícil, difícil, cheque, muchacha, muchacha, experiencia, lección, jefe, jefe, trabajo, baños, llave, llave, sencillo, general, gigante, gobierno, haber, haber, barrio, barrena, plaza, zapatos, confianza, confianza, convento, convento, congreso, conquistar. 5. The C when written in Spanish as K is written in Bikol. The C for Spanish as S in Bikol. QU in Spanish as K in Bikol. V in Spanish as B in Bikol. F Spanish as P in Bikol. CH in Spanish as TS in Bikol. X in Spanish as KS in Bicol. CC in Spanish as KS in Bicol. J in Spanish as H in Bicol. N in Spanish as NY in Bicol. The double L in Spanish as NY in Bicol. The G preceding an E in Spanish is written H in Bicol. The G preceding an I in Spanish is written H in Bicol. All other G sounds are written G, both Spanish and Bicol. The H in Spanish is not written in Bicol. The double R in Spanish as R in Bicol. Z in Spanish as S in Bicol. The N preceding an F or Y in Spanish is written M in Bicol. There are two changes which occur in Bicol. The F first changes to P and then the N is written M. The N preceding G in Spanish is written NG in Bicol. The N preceding QU in Spanish is written NG in Bicol. There are two changes which occur. The QU first is written K and the N is written NG, and the N before A, C in Spanish is written NG in Bicol. The N before a C in Spanish is written NG in Bicol.